The journey of industrial apple juice begins here, in the calculated geometry of the modern orchard.
We require fruit with specific sugar and acidity levels, monitored daily before harvest.
For juice production, speed is paramount. Entire trees are cleared in seconds.
The raw input is separated from organic debris immediately to prevent spoilage.
The logistics chain is tight. Once harvested, the apple's internal clock begins ticking. Tons of raw fruit now converge on the processing facility for immediate transformation. To prevent bruising, industrial apple intake uses water, not impact. The flume system acts as both a transport conveyor and a preliminary wash. Nature brings debris. Our filtration systems ensure only fruit enters the line. Washed and weighed, the apples now ascend into the heart of the processing plant. 25 bars of air pressure transform the soft plastic into a rigid container in under a second. Floating on a cushion of air, the sterile bottles race toward the filling line. Hygiene is absolute. Every container is rinsed and inverted just seconds before filling.
The rotary filler synchronizes perfectly, filling 600 bottles every minute with millimeter precision. The system seals the freshness instantly, and the juice is now safe from the outside world.
Rotating brushes and sterile water remove any remaining soil or wax.
Human eyes provide the first layer of defense against imperfection.
Advanced optical sorters analyze internal density and sugar content in milliseconds.
Only the flawless fruit earns the right to become premium juice.
Clean, sorted, and inspected, the fruit is now ready for extraction. To release the juice, the cellular structure of the fruit must be completely destroyed. The hammer mill transforms solid fruit into pomace, a wet apple mash.
The mash is now a thick slurry, but the juice is still trapped inside the fibers.
Biochemical enzymes are added to break down cell walls and maximize juice yield.
A brief resting period allows the chemistry to do the heavy lifting before the press. The conditioned mash is now ready for the most critical stage, extraction.
Before branding, the surface must be perfectly dry to ensure the label adheres without bubbling.
The label is shot onto the bottle in milliseconds, moving at the speed of a machine gun.
Steam heat shrinks the sleeve, hugging the contours of the bottle for a seamless finish. Automated eyes see what humans cannot, rejecting any bottle that is underfilled or contaminated. While machines do the work, human experts verify the chemistry of every batch. The belt press is the industry standard for continuous, high-yield extraction. With the solids removed, we focus entirely on the liquid gold. The raw juice is rich and sweet, but full of suspended solids that must be cleared. The raw juice is full of suspended solids and pectin that make it cloudy. Centrifugal force, spinning at thousands of RPM, flings the heavier pulp out of the juice.
Modern factories use ultrafiltration, passing juice through microscopic ceramic membranes.
The pores are so small that even bacteria cannot pass through, sterilizing as it clears.
Individual units are aggregated into cases, ready for retail distribution.
Stored in the bright tank, the juice waits for the final adjustment before bottling. Heavy lifting is obsolete. The palletizer builds a structurally perfect stack in minutes. Stretch film stabilizes the load, ensuring it survives the vibrations of road transport. In the cold chain warehouse, the juice hibernates at 4 degrees until an order is placed. From the tree to the truck in under 24 hours, freshness is a race against time.